Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create personal music player using EDU PICO. You can control your playback music by using gestures. Now let's go for the tutorial. First, we need to convert music file to WAV file using Audacity. Import your music. Then choose Export Audio. Rename your file. Follow my options. Click Export. Now do it same way to others' music file. Plug in your SD card to your computer. After that, copy all exported music files to your SD card. It's time to boot our EDUPICO. Installing EDUPICO firmware. Open your code file. Go to Cytron page. Then go to Education and search for MP3 player. Copy the code and paste it on code.py file. Then go to line 52 and 54 to rename the coding based on your music file name. Run the code and you're done. Enjoy!